Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable Microsoft Family features. So first you have to be a part of a family group before you can remove it. Visit familymicrosoft.com, sign in with your Microsoft account. Next to your name, select Leave Family Group or you will see the name of the group right here. Confirm by selecting Remove. This action should disable family safety features for your account. Tap these three dots and tap on Remove from Family Group. Click this one. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will be notified with this. You need to confirm again by tapping the Remove button. Click this one and then wait for a couple of seconds. Now, another way for you to simply disable Microsoft Family features is by going to your Windows settings. So if your account is still listed as a child account, you can go to Windows settings and then look for accounts right here. Go to family and other users. You can see it on the left side. Now click manage family settings and you will see here the family setting. What you're going to do is click this one and then click leave family. You should see it right here and then just tap remove or tap leave family. Now, number three, disable family features via services. So you can stop the family feature services. All you have to do is you have to search for services right here. And then you need to scroll down to look for Microsoft Family Features. Let's just say this is the Microsoft Family Features. You need to right click that one and then select a properties. Now you need to go to that specific startup type and then look for disabled, click apply, and then click OK. And this is how to disable Microsoft Family features. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.